the given fraction to a percentage, it is in the form of P by Q. So here, to convert fraction into a percentage, just multiply by 100 and put the symbol percentage. That's it. 1:5 is nothing but 1 by 5. Do not write 5:1 because 5:1 is always become 5 by 1. Fraction is different. Fraction will be in the form of P by Q. Decimals means you are going to write it in a point wise. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. We are going to learn the topic of percentage profit and then loss. And here the session number 1 we are going to have. So what are all the topics we are going to study under this session? Obviously, I guessing is right, introduction to the chapter. And then coming up, you are going to have conversion of fraction into a percentage. You are having a formula for that one. Very easy. And then you are going to have conversion of percentage into a fraction. That means fraction to percentage, percentage to a fraction. And then conversion of percentage to ratio. And then conversion of ratio to go back to the percentage, and then conversion of percentage to the decimal, and then conversion of decimal to a percentage. So these are all the main topics you are going to study under this session. If you learn this how to convert, and it is very easier to do the next types of problems also of higher marker. Now let us move on to the introduction of the percentage profit and loss here. So here we are having in mathematics, percentage is a number or a ratio as a fraction of 100. Okay, it is denoted by the symbol called percentage. Are you getting this? Now, the word percent means you are going to have it as of two words. One is per, another one is cent. Always per means you are going to have, it is nothing but each, and cent means you are going to have which is 100. So therefore, for the given number, you are going to have each 100. That means on each 100 or for each 100. That is the meaning, that is the next point you are having. Thus, the percentage mean on each 100 or for each 100 you are going to have it as. So this you have to remember, a percentage is denoted by the symbol like this you are going to have it as, okay. You are going to have, we frequently, where we are going to use this kind of percentage. We are going to use the statement come across like the price of petrol is like 5%. Or the price of petrol is increased by 3%, decreased by 5% like that. So here, our college has got 97%, isn't it, in the result of every year, or same percent, that is 100%. 60% of staff are women, 60% of staff are men or boys, girls, whatever you can take it as. These kind of statements we come across in day-to-day life. So there also we are going to use this percentage. Percentage is mainly used as a tool of where we are going to use it as a comparison or the uniformity, isn't it? We need to use the percentage for the comparison or for the uniformity. So percentage are used in the calculation purpose of interest, brokerage, dividend, and then you are going to have population, depreciation, etc. In all these cases, you are going to use this percentage profit as well as loss. Okay. So, okay dear students, now let us move into the solving problems. First, conversion of fraction to a percentage. So, how to convert the given fraction to a percentage? It is in the form of P by Q. So, here to convert fraction into a percentage, just multiply by 100 and put the symbol percentage. That's it. So, you are going to just multiply by 100 and you are going to put a symbol as percentage like this. Now, what they have given, the first one, convert 5 by 8 into percentage. Now, this 5 by 8 as it is, I am going to write it as 5 by 8. Now, just you are going to multiply this by 100, okay? And then you are going to write it as, see, 100 into 5 is nothing but 500. divided by 8, isn't it? Now you can divide that one. What it will be? 8 ones are 8, 2s are 16, 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. Again, if you go 8 6 are, which is nothing but 48, isn't it? So you can have 8 6 are 48. So remaining will be what? 2. So again 20 you are going to get it as 8 2s are 16 you are going to have. Again you are going to get it as 4, but 4 cannot be divisible by 8. So therefore you are going to take the carry over, which is nothing but I can write it as point, isn't it? So it will become 40. So 40 means 8 5s are 40 you can have it as. So therefore which will be is equals to 62.5%. That's it, dear students. How easier to convert, isn't it? That's it, how to convert the fraction into a percentage. Understood? Yes, dear students, we'll move on to some more solving the problem so that you can get clear what is that, how to convert the percentage, a fraction into a percentage. Now you are having 4 by 5. Now 4 by 5 can be written as how? Which will be is equals to 4 by 5 into 100. Which will be is equals to, now 5 ones are 5, 20s are, it will go. Now you can multiply 20 into 4, which is nothing but 80. So 80, you are going to put just percentage symbol, 80%. So 4 by 5 gives you 80%. Okay. So next 3 by 2. Let me convert that 3 by 2 here. 3 by 2 into 100. Now you know already 2 50s are, which is nothing but 100, which will be is equals to, now 3 5s are 15, which is 150%. Okay. Similarly, you are going to have 1 by 4. Let me divide this 1 by 4. You are going to multiply throughout by 100, which will be is equals to, you are going to have 4 1s are 4 2s are 10, isn't it? Again, you are going to have test. So 4 2s are 8, which will be having as 2 carry over. Again 2 carry over means you are going to have 4 5s are 20. So 25 into 1 is 25%. So 1 by 4 can be converted into a percentage as 25. Is that easier, dear students? Yes. Okay, dear students, I think you understood how to convert a fraction into a percentage. Now let me move on to, yes, conversion of percentage to a fraction, ulta. So if the percentage is given, how to convert to a fraction? You are going to have to convert percentage to a fraction, divide by 100. There what we are doing? Multiply by 100. Here ulta means divided by 100, whatever the given percentage. Now they have given here, see, and then reduce the fraction into its simplest form. That means you are going to divide the number. If both the number is divisible by the same number, you are going to reduce to the simplest form. That's it. Now what they have given, the first one, convert 25% into a fraction. So therefore, I can divide this by 100. So 25% will be is equals to, percentage means it is 1 by 100. You can write it as 25 divided by 100. Now you can convert this one into a simplest form. It is divisible by 25. So 25 ones are, you are going to have it as, again 25 fours are, isn't it? 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100. So which will be is equals to 1 by 4. This is going to be known as a fraction, which is nothing but the simplest form. Understood? So just divide the given percentage divided by 100. It will be giving you the form of a P by Q reduced to the simplest form. That's it. Okay, now let us move on to how to convert a percentage into a fraction to get clear about how you are going to convert. So here we are going to have 30%. 30% can be written as 30 divided by 100, which can be written as, so 110 will go. So here you are going to write it as 3 by 10 only, because 3 and 10 never go with the common number. So as it is, you are going to write it as. Understood? Now we are going to have it as, next problem is 40%. 40% can be written as how? 40 divided by 100. Now you are going to cancel this one and then you are going to remain with 4 by 10. Now 4 by 10 will goes with the common number which is nothing but 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Correct? So therefore you are going to write this one as 2 by 5. So 2 by 5, 40% can be written as 2 by 5. Okay? So next you are going to write it as 75% can be written as 75 divided by 100. So which will go by how much it will be is equals to 75% can be written as 75 by 100. Now 75 by 100 will goes with the common number which is 25. So 25 3s are 25 4s are. Now which can be written as 3 by 4. That's it dear students, how to convert the given percentage into a ratio of the simplest form. Okay dears, we'll move on to the next one which is nothing but conversion of percentage to a ratio. Now fractions to percentage to fraction is over. Now conversion of percentage into a ratio. Now how we are going to convert? To convert percentage to ratio, first convert it to a fraction and then write it as a ratio. First you are going to convert that to a fraction and write it as ratio. How to convert a given as a fraction? Just divide it by 100. So therefore you are going to have it as 20% can be written as, which will be is equals to 20 divided by 100, isn't it? So therefore this it will go accordingly. What is that? 21s are, you are going to have it as next 25s are 100, isn't it? Which is nothing but 1 by 5. So therefore 1 by 5 can be converted into a ratio is nothing but 1:5. That's it. This is how we are going to convert to a ratio. 1:5 is nothing but 1 by 5. Do not write 5:1 because 5:1 is always become 5 by 1. So whatever is the numerator that you are going to write it as here 1:5. Understood? Denominator as it is. So next I think you know how to convert the given percentage to a ratio. Okay, we'll move on to solving some more problems here. 25% convert the given percentage to a ratio. First you need to divide it by 100. Therefore 25 divided by 100 gives you 25 1s are 25 4s are. So you can write this 1 by 4 which is nothing but 1:4. That's it dear students, how easier to convert. Next you are having 18%. 18% can be written as 18 divided by 100. Now which is a common number it is going here. Let me cancel here which will be is equals to 2 9s are 18, again 2 50s are. Correct? Now it will go with the 3. So if you go with the 3 it will be remaining with what? 3 1s are 320. It will not go. 9 by 50 you are going to have it as 9 by 50 cannot be reduced to still more simplest form which is there is no common number which will divide 9 and 50. Therefore you are going to write as it is 9 by 50 can be written as 9:50. That's it yes. Okay. Now we'll convert 10%. 10% can be written as 10 divided by 100. Now 1 0 will go, remaining is 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 as it is you are going to write it as which is 1:10. That's it dears. So how easy to convert this one, isn't it? Convert the given percentage to a fraction and then write it in the form of the ratio. That's it dears. Yes, I think you understood now how to convert the fraction to a percentage to a fraction, and then you know how to convert percentage to a ratio. Now we'll move on to convert ulta, ratio to percentage. Now what you need to do? To convert ratio to percentage, first convert ratio to fraction and then multiply by 100, ulta. That's it dear students. Okay. Now let us move on to convert ratio 4:7 as percentage. Now 4:7 can be written as how? 4:7 can be written as 4 by 7. Now this 4 by 7 is in the form of a fraction. Now we are going to what? What is that? Multiply by 100. So multiply this by 100. Now we are going to have 4 into 100 is 400 divided by 7. Now it will go 7 1s are again 7, you are going to have 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, isn't it? So 7 6 are 42, which is behind 40. So 7, which is nothing but 5s are 35. So 7 5s are 35, 5 is remaining, which is 50. 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49. So therefore you are having 7 7s are 49 point, because 1 is remaining there, 50. So 10 it will become, so that I have taken a decimal point. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, only you can write it as 7 1s are 7, correct? Now in 10, which is what is remaining, 3 is remaining. Now again 30 it will be, carry over 0. So 7 4s are 28, you are going to have it as, next you are going to have it as remaining is 2, again carry over will be 0. So you are going to have it as 20. So 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are, you are going to have it as 21. So 7 2s are only, it will go, which is nothing but remaining is what? In 20, if you go 14, 6 is remaining. So again carry over is, now you are going to have it as 7 8s are 56. So 7 8s are 56. In 60, if you minus 56, 4 is remaining. Let me write 7 8s are 56. Next you are going to have 4 is remaining. So it will continue as it is. So therefore you can write this one as, which will be is equals to 54.1428 percentage. Okay, that's it dear. So you can stop till 4 decimal places after the decimal point. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. 1:2. How to convert this? Convert first by a ratio to a fraction and then multiply by 100. So you are going to have it as 2 1s are 2 5s are. So remaining is 50. You are going to put a percentage symbol, which is 50%. That's it, yes. So now we are going to have it as 2 by 3. 2 by 3 can be converted into 100. Now we are going to multiply, which will be is equal to 100 into 2 is 200 divided by 3. Now we can divide. 3 1s are, you are going to have 3 6 are 18. Again 2 is remaining. So 20. Again 3 6 are is 18. So again 2 is only remaining. You are going to take a carryover, which is nothing but a 0. So you are going to have it as 0 again means carryover point I am taking. So 2 is remaining. Again you are going to have it as 3 6 are 18. It will move on as it is. Therefore you can convert as, which will be is equal to 66.66%. Okay, understood this one? Yes. We'll move on to conversion of 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 100. Now you know already 4 1s are 4, it will be 2s are 8, again 4 5s are 20, which will be is equals to 25%. Now how is this easier? Conversion of what? Ratio to a percentage. Okay. Okay dear students, we'll move on to the next one. Conversion of percentage to decimals. Fraction is different. Fraction will be in the form of P by Q. Decimals means you are going to write it in a point wise. So to convert percentage to decimal, divide by 100 and write the result in the decimal form. You should write the result in the decimal form there. So therefore given as it is, you are going to write it as 42% can be written as 42 divided by 100. What is 42 divided by 100 dear students? Which is nothing but 0.42. Okay, this is how you are going to write it as a decimal. Understood? Okay, we'll move on to some more solving of a problem. Conversion of percentage to a decimal. Now 30% can be written as 30 divided by 100. Now 3 by 10 can be written as 0.33. We are converting that percentage to a decimal. Let us convert next 12% into a decimal. So how you are going to write it as 12 divided by 100. 12 divided by 100 can be written as 0.12. That's it, yes. Next 8%. So 8% can be written as 8 divided by 100, which can be written as 0.08. Okay. So that's it, dears, how to convert the given percentage to a decimal. Understood? Now, dears, we'll move on to how to convert the conversion of decimal to a percentage. So therefore, here we are going to have to convert decimal to a percentage, multiply the fraction or the given decimal to 100. Okay. So therefore here we are going to have 1.25 can be written as 1.25 into 100 is equals to, given decimal is multiplied by 100, converted into a percentage. You are going to put percentage symbol. That's it. So 1.25 into 100 is 125 percentage. Now we'll move on to how to solve the problems based on this. So see here, they have given convert the following decimal to a percentage. Now they have given it as 0.32. So 0.32 can be written as 0.32 into 100, which is nothing but 32 percentage. Okay. Similarly, 0.06. 0.06 into 100 gives you 6 percentage. Similarly, you are going to have it at 0.28. 0.28 multiplied by 100 gives you 28 percentage. Now, you came to know how to convert the given decimal point by multiplying that number to 100 gives you a percentage. That's it, dears. We'll move on to the next type of problem. Find 12.5 percentage of 1 hour 40 minutes. Now I need to convert this 1 hour 40 minutes to complete clear minutes. Now how we are going to have it as, we know that 1 hour plus 40 minutes, correct, can be written as 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 60 minute plus 40 minute is equals to, you are going to have it as 100 minute, correct. Now, you are going to have it as find 12.5 percentage of 1 hour 40 minutes. So, let x be that, what is that 12.5 percentage? Therefore, so 12.5 of the 1 hour 40 minutes means we have converted completely 1 hour 40 minutes to where? 100 minutes. So, 12.5 percentage of 100 minute is nothing but, you are going to have it as, how you are going to convert the percentage? Percentage to 100, divide throughout by 100, that's it, isn't it? So therefore you are going to have it as 12.5 divided by 100 of 100 minute will be is equals to, you are going to have it as 12.5 minute. That's it, dears. Is that easier to convert? This is your answer. Okay. So we'll move on to the next problem. What percent is 7 paisa of rupees 75? Now what is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. Correct? Now what is 75 rupees is equals to? Rupees 75 is equals to 75 into 100, which is nothing but 7,500 paisa. Correct? Now we are going to have it as, let x be the required number. Because they have asked what percentage is 7 paisa. Therefore, you are going to have it as x percentage of 7,500. They have given it as what? 7 paisa. So that only we have converted rupees 75 to a 7,500. You can write it as x percentage means x divided by 100 of 7,500 is equals to 7 paisa. Right? Now we are going to have it as 100 and 0 zeros will get cancelled. You are going to remain with 75x. So 75x is equals to 7. Otherwise, you can write the value of x will be is equals to, what is that? 7 divided by 75. That's it. So this is in the form of a simplest. If it is not in the form of simplest, you are going to convert to the form of the simplest. Okay, dears. How to convert this one to a, what is that? A percentage. You are going to divide that by. How you are going to divide that by? Just divide 7 by 75 by 7. So how we are going to divide? 75. Otherwise you can use it as calci. Otherwise you can use by fraction method. So 7 divided by 75 is equals to 0.0933. This is your answer. So this percentage you are going to convert, what is that? Rupees 75 as 7 paisa. If it is as 7 paisa. Okay. Okay, dear students, we'll move on to the next problem. Next, they have given it as what percent is 64 meter of 12 kilometer? Now, what is 1 kilometer is equals to, we need to convert this 12 kilometer into a meter. They have given in the form of 64 meter, isn't it? Now, what is 1 kilometer is equals to? 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, correct? So, therefore, 12 kilometer can be converted as 12 into 1000 meter, which will be is equals to, what is that? 12,000 meter, correct? Now, what percentage is 64 meter of 12 kilometer? Therefore, let X be the required percentage. So, you can have it as X percentage of 12,000 meter is equals to what they have given? 64 meter. Correct? Now we are going to have it as X percentage is X divided by 100 into 12,000 of that. So you are going to have X into 120 is equals to 64 meter. Otherwise, X will be is equals to 64 divided by 120. So therefore, 64 divided by 120 is 0.5333 percentage. Okay, this is your answer for this question. Understood? Okay, dears, we'll move on to the next question. What there was next question? What percent is 4 by 5 of 25? So 4 by 5 of 25 means let X be the required number. No need to convert anything here. They have given already the fraction and the number. So therefore, you are going to have it as X percentage of 125 is nothing but they have given it as 4 by 5. Isn't it? Now what is X percentage? X divided by 100 of 125 is equals to 4 by 5. Now you can cross multiply this one. 100 goes to the numerator, 125 will comes to the denominator. Now we are going to have X will be is equals to 4 into 100 divided by 5 into 125. So the required answer after cancellation of this will be is equals to X. So X after converting this, after doing in a calculator, or you can do it by cancellation, which will be is equals to 0.64 percentage. So this is your required percentage for the given question. Understood? So this and all you are going to assume according to the question as given, and then you are going to solve accordingly. Okay, dear students, you got now how to convert the percentage to a fraction, fractions to a percentage, ratio to a percentage, percentage to a ratio, decimal to a percentage, percentage to a decimal, and then you have some more problems of the application of solving the percentage, isn't it? So thank you, dear students. I hope you understood this completely, how to convert or how to deal with the percentages. Thank you, dears.